Hey, want to know what a day in my life is like? Come along and find out. First off, my day always begins with caffeine. I take the Beeline bus to campus. It can get pretty packed, but I usually get on early in the route, so it's not that bad. The bonus is I get to escape into a book. Oh, and I have a U-Pass. That makes it easy to take public transit. As you might have guessed, I go to UBC. I love my campus. I'm in the Environment and Sustainability program, and so yeah, I'm what you might call a sustainability nerd. I try not to be annoying, but I don't mind telling people about all the ways we can help create a better world by being more sustainable. I pretty much use this sorting station like 10 times a week. I'm so happy when I see other students using it too. I seriously love all my classes. I've learned so much already. It's great to be with other students who feel the same way as I do about sustainability, and nice to know that I'm not the only nerd. Actually, I think it's pretty cool how UBC has over 480 courses that are sustainability related. I mean, that's pretty legit. I'm lucky to have friends who are living in residence. My friends just let me chill between classes, which is so nice on a rainy day. I'm looking into collegia for us commuter students who need a space to hang out, because I can't always be hitting up my res friends for tea and a cozy place to catnap in the middle of the day. This is SIRS, which is short for the Center for Interactive Research on Sustainability. I can't even explain to you how cool this building is. Okay, I'll try. For one thing, it's a living lab, so it's not like a regular building. It's essentially a ginormous piece of research equipment. Oh, and here's something really interesting. This building harvests rainwater. So it takes rain and uses it for all the water you consume in the building. And it has a whole wall of plants that lets light in during the winter and keeps the building cool during the summer. Not to mention super tasty food and coffee in the Loop Cafe. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, SIRS has something called a Solar Aquatics Biofilter. I know, it's pretty sciencey, but basically it takes human biological waste, and yes, that means what you think it means, and treats it so it can be reused as clean water in the building. One place I can't get enough of is the UBC farm. I mean, how cool is it that UBC has its own farm? It has an orchard and crop fields full of delicious produce that they sell to the community from June to October. I volunteer at the farm, though lately I don't get out here as much as I'd like to, now that I'm having to study for midterms. This is another building you might not know has an epic sustainability story. Inside is the Bioenergy Research and Demonstration Facility. How's that for a mouthful? Where wood waste is being converted into energy for UBC's Vancouver campus. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Isn't this a pretty spot? It's just a nice water feature, right? Wrong. This pretty feature actually collects stormwater and cleans it through a biofiltration treatment system, which gets stored in a cistern below University Square. Yeah, that's right, a cistern. I'm always so amazed at how much sustainability is going on behind the scenes at UBC. Want to know something impressive? UBC is a campus where 48% of the food is locally grown, raised, or processed within 150 miles of campus, or is certified organic. And we have a UBC Farm to Campus program, so we get lots of great seasonal food right from our backyard. And I don't know about you, but something that happens to be important to me as a student is that UBC was the first fair trade campus in Canada. Kind of makes you proud, you know? Well, that's my day. Thanks for coming along with me. I hope you've learned a little bit about sustainability at UBC. Together, we can make a ripple, join a wave, and create a better world. See you on campus!